Getting your data into and out of Onshape is easy. Onshape can read and write to most of the common CAD formats in the industry. We can import CAD data into Part Studios from Parasolid, ACES, STEP and IGES, CATIA V5, SolidWorks, Inventor, ProEngineer Creo, or JT files. We can export Part Studios to Parasolid, ACES, STEP and IGES, and SolidWorks files. Onshape assemblies can be imported from Parasolid, ACES, STEP and IGES, JT, and SolidWorks Pack and Go files, and they can be exported to Parasolid and STEP files. So we support a wide range of standard CAD formats for both import and export. It's important to remember that these are the CAD file types that can be imported into Part Studios and viewed from any modern browser. But really, any file format can be uploaded to a document and stored as a tab. This makes Onshape useful as a tool for storing all project-related data and not just CAD files. Let's take a look at a few examples of importing and exporting in Onshape. Here I have a STEP file that was exported from my current CAD system. I need to share this with vendors, so I'll import into Onshape. Select the import icon from the Documents page, choose the file or files you'd like to import, and select Open. Onshape then imports that data into a new document. It does this in the background, which allows you to continue working when importing large files. After the import is complete, you'll see the new document added to your Documents page. Open the new document, and you'll notice that Onshape has created tabs for the original file, as well as a Part Studio for the model itself. This means the original STEP file can be downloaded at any time. So now I've imported the file into Onshape, and I want to share this document with a few vendors. Once the document is shared, they'll get an email giving them access to my model. They can measure the model, add comments, but more importantly, they can export it to whatever format works with their CAD tool. Just right-click the tab and choose Export. Choose the file format you'd like to export, and Onshape translates and saves that data to their local machine on the fly. STL files can be exported by right-clicking a part in the feature list or right-clicking a Part Studio tab. DXFs and DWGs can be exported by right-clicking a sketch or a planar face. Another example is using Onshape to import and store your CAD-related project data. Here I created a document and I want to import some files related to my current project in SolidWorks. This time I'll use the Import button in the bottom left of my document to import my data. Here's a zip file I exported from SolidWorks using the Pack and Go tool. You'll notice when importing assemblies, Onshape automatically breaks down parts and subassemblies into separate tabs. In addition to the zip file, I'd also like to upload some project-related documents. Onshape can import any file extension and add it as a tab to the document. Any file extensions that can be viewed by your browser can be viewed right inside of Onshape. Support for all these common file formats means Onshape can be used to collaborate with a wide audience.